Jewelry production was always a delicate process. It's difficult and need a lot of focus. You must love your job. You manufacture gold, or just like jewelry. Now there is a YouTube channel for you. Bulunmaz develops different techniques for jewelry production. Beside advanced machines, we also offer lots of hand engraving designs for gold production. When you need shine on your jewelry, Bulunmaz is here for you. Just have a check design videos. You will be surprised how easy and practical to make such designs. Hand design is low-cost way of jewelry production, and it is limited with your imagination. Welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel.